Alright, so the project at hand is Venezia Espresso. It's by Saeco. Well, the main problem with this is it's not pumping any water. So I've had to pull it apart, and I've ripped off these hoses, and obviously I've checked the filter, which is clear. Water does go through it. And I've blown down a few of these and mucked around with it with the compressor and whatnot. It actually electrocuted me the other day, so I've got some unfinished business. But anyway, I've picked up this part. It's just a new aftermarket water pump. It cost me 27 Australian dollars. But yeah, we're going to install this onto where this old one is. But yeah, sorry guys, I didn't get to show you beforehand. I got a little bit excited and started taking it apart. But anyway, I just took the top off the back. It's like 6 screws. And prior to this, you'd hit the steam or the water button, and it would just make this sort of noise, and it'd get really hot, and it just sounded like the machine was breaking and no water was pumping. So obviously this pump was just, I mean, every dog has its day. Look at that, 2004. So, I mean, it worked well until now. Alright. Winner. Now slap this girl back on. This thing here back on. So yeah, to get these screws back in tight, you have to undo this black thing under here, which this just comes off via 2 screws here and here, and a clip just under here, which we'll put back in now. All right, well, that's all back on. Let's test her out. I think. There we go. So you gotta let it. I believe this pops up green when it's good to go. And this is the steam wand. Whoa! Ow! But yeah. That works well, as you can tell. Alright, well, she's fixed. And yeah, that's ready for action.